Hey guys, Mixed Media Girl here. So we're gonna do another deco art experiment here. I'm trying out some more new stuff. So we've got the Decoart Pouring medium there. And then I'm going to be using two of the metallics here, the extreme sheen. So I'm using the amethyst and the sapphire. And then I'm also trying out the Galaxy glitter, which this is champagne stardust. And I put in a little bit of the 24 karat gold here, and I'm just going to show you that one so you can see it is got the glitter chunks in there. Hopefully you can see that well. I'm not sure how that will come out in an actual pour, but it looks really pretty in the cup. So we'll see. All right, focus again, and then I am using the fluid acrylics titanium white. So this is all Decoart products, no black, guys. And I figured we'll do a flip cup on this one. So let's go ahead and start off with, you know what, let's get some of the gold in there. And it's gonna be very metallic painting, I guess, because the only non-metallic color is the white. So we'll see how that goes. Okay, a little more white. More glitter. I don't remember if I already said it, but I think I'll do a flip cup on this one. I did a tree ring on the last experiment with these, so. All right, there we go. Let's go ahead and flip this. Looks pretty in the cup so far. And then we'll let that sit for a minute, let the cup settle, and we'll be right back. Okay, here we go. Hoping I did not put too much white in here. Let's see. I think this should theoretically turn out very pretty. Very pretty, but let's see. Okay. And I'm just wondering how the glitter will show up. I've used glitter in acrylic pours before and it kind of just all sank or like hid by the paint. But we'll see. See how it does on this. This is a chunkier glitter, I think, than I used. Okay. I'm going to run it back this way a bit, actually towards this corner. There we go. Beautiful. Very galactic. I really like this, actually. Okay, let's let this sit here. We'll see what else develops. There's a big air bubble over there. Boop. All right, and then we'll come back and we'll do our close-up. Okay, so we're back. We do have some things developing, some little cells that came up over here. I'm loving some of the funky effects with this. I don't know if it's the pouring medium specifically or like the fluid acrylics. Because it looks like it is specifically with the white, so it might even be the fluid acrylics. And you can definitely see some of the glitter peeking through here, which is awesome. So let's go ahead and do our close-up. Here we have the lower right-hand corner. So different effects there. Coming up here, I think this is super interesting. Look at these little white lines there. Like that's something you don't really normally see. Very interesting. There's a little tiny fish head in that bubble. All right, so over here, this is the glitter. So you can actually see it there peeking through, which is just beautiful. Upper left-hand corner. And then down here to the lower left-hand corner where we've got some really fun little purple bubbles in there, and yeah, just some interesting effects. Really interesting. All right, guys. Well, that concludes today's experiment. I hope you enjoyed this. I'm actually really loving this. And don't forget to subscribe, and I will see y'all next time.